Moving now to an update in that trial for a defendant who's accused of murdering two people in Frenchtown. It's the trial for Caressa Hardy, who's also identified in court documents as Glenn Dibley. It's now in day number 7. Today, jurors saw some writings and drawings from Hardy that depict some very violent scenes. The defense argues, though, that prosecutors still don't have enough to convict him. Connor McCauley brings us the latest in this case from the courtroom.
The Caressa Hardy trial continues on as the defendant faces 2 felony counts of homicide and 2 felony counts to solicit homicide. Day 7 of the trial saw lead detective Jared Cochran take the stand to answer questions about evidence taken from Hardy's cell. One piece was a Bible that featured some violent notations against the only witness to the alleged murders, the mother of his 3 children, Karen.
Of most note is the words "death equals freedom," and then "death to Karen." And then, of course, there's an arrow in between "death equals freedom" and "death to Karen."
Investigators found more evidence from Hardy's cell, including pictures Hardy drew that depicts violent acts against people opposing his case.
Jail detention personnel provided me with these photos that were observed and retained from the defendant's cell. Well, most of these pictures are either investigators, prosecutors, or witnesses in the case. They're all X'd out in red, and the words "doomed" are all over.
Hardy's defense argues that those pictures don't speak 1,000 words, and that prosecutors still have no evidence of Hardy actually saying "I killed them," or asking someone to kill Karen Hardy.
Is the defendant on any recording admitting these offenses that has been admitted into evidence for counts 3 and 4?
If you're asking whether the defendant specifically said "I killed them," I do not have a recording of the defendant saying that.
And as far as asking for someone else to cause harm to Karen or to kill Karen, are there any recordings that are admitted into evidence?
I do not have a recording in which the defendant specifically asks someone to kill Karen down.
In Missoula, Connor McCauley, MTN News.
Prosecutors also presented evidence that the blood from one of the alleged victims, Thomas Korjak, was found on a TV in the basement of the home.